Hi, my name is Kristiana. I would definitely recommend studying at Rosen School of Hebrew. And I've had a love for languages ever since I can remember. I already had an interest in Hebrew because much of the Old Testament, the Hebrew Bible, is written in Hebrew. And I also found out recently that I have Sephardic Jewish roots. However, it wasn't until I started studying the language myself that I really developed a deep appreciation and love for the language. Going to Hebrew class online is something I look forward to every week. My teacher she's encouraging, she's patient, she's kind, she's very professional, but she's also familiar. I feel like I'm taking a class with a friend. I would definitely recommend studying at Rosen School of Hebrew.